Let us study about the respiratory organs in humans. As we all know that there are lungs which help us to exchange the gases between the atmospheric air and blood occurs. Respiration is through lungs is called as the pulmonary respiration. The atmospheric air is to fill the gas and exchange the gas between the surrounding, and lungs play an important role in transporting them. So they are mostly done with the help of respiratory tract and the lungs. So let us understand first the respiratory organ of the man. It consists of a voice box, a trachea through which the gases are reached to the lungs, and the ribs which help in the contraction in order to increase the surface area for the absorption of the oxygen molecules, a bronchi, a lungs, a bronchiole, and then the diaphragm which help in the upward movement whenever we want to increase the intake of oxygen. Now, as you can see here, this is the structure of alveoli with a network of capillaries, and this is the main structure which help exactly how the respiratory bronchioles finally end in the alveolar duct. Each alveolar duct is connected with a several thin-walled alveolar sac. Their walls are formed of numerous alveoli or air sac. As you can see, the bubble-like structure called as the alveoli. These alveoli are nothing but the air sacs which are the functional unit of lungs. This helps in exchange of gases between the blood and the air. The alveolar walls have following features which make them more sufficient and increase the surface area for the exchange of gases. So let us study now. As you can see in the picture, alveolar walls are thin and formed of a single layer of squamous epithelium cells. These help them to covered with a network of capillaries for the supply of rich blood. And these alveoli have numerous surface area for the exchange of gases and which can take the more amount of oxygen in it. Now, these exchange of gases in an alveolus nothing but it contain around 750 millions of alveoli, which makes the surface area of lungs more than 100 square meters, nearly equal to an area of tennis court, for about 40 times the surface area of the body. Hence, this will help you to understand the more intake and exchange of the gases, which you can study under the mechanism of breathing in inhalation and exhalation. I hope this, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification. Now, as you can see in the structure where the exchange of gases are taking place, how this lungs provide a large area, surface area for these gases exchange with a very thin respiratory membrane called as the alveoli in contact with the thin-walled pulmonary capillaries. As you can see here, the yellow color small structure. These help them to rapid diffusion of oxygen, rapid diffusion of exchange of gases such as oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveolar air and the capillaries. So there is a capillary air, capillary blood and the alveolar through which their exchange is been happening. Now, these pulmonary veins which are next to the layer of alveolar brings the deoxygenated blood from the right auricle to the lungs. This divide and redivide to form a capillary network around each alveolus of the lung. That's how it increases the surface area. Now, the oxygenated blood which is coming from the alveoli is collected in the capillaries and joined and rejoined with the pulmonary vein, and thus allow the 4 in number empty. That means it helps in the left ventricle to pass this oxygenated blood to the right left ventricle of the heart, which is the second chamber. I hope this was very helpful. If you have any doubt, please don't forget to leave your doubt and any comment in the comment box, so that we will look into it closely and will try to answer or reply to all the comments. And if any other topic which you find difficulty and you want me to explain, please leave your comments, so that I can also work on it to make a new video for you, which will helpful. And once again, thank you for watching this video. See you until then, see you in the next time. Thank you.